Hey guys, I wanted to walk you through how to get started with your workshop. I am in the Habersham class page, but this works the exact same way for Young Harris students as well. So here is the workshop section in Moodle, depending on what class you're in, depends on what this date is. But I'm recording this on the 29th, and Habersham's workshop starts tomorrow. So wanted to go ahead and do this. Watch this little video. It just kind of explains what you're doing and how this works, and it's just a tiny, like 2-minute introduction to this website. But you have to actually join our class before you can upload anything. So what I would do is double click on this and copy it, and then go ahead and click on the link to the website. And once you get to the website, it's going to ask for your code. So then we can just paste it here and hit next. And then it's going to ask us if we want to sign in or if you want to join. And so most likely you'll need to join. It's real simple. It's going to pull you up to this page. All right. So this is like name will be here. And I just did this as a test run. That's it. So up next is a serial workshop. And the only assignment you have right now is the serial workshop. So click on this green button, the submit button. You have two options. You can either upload a file or go straight to your Google Drive. Remember, that's not the same as Turnitin, but I wanted to make it easy for your rough draft. So I'm going to click on File. You can drag and drop, or you can click on this box, and I'm going to find, let's do this one. This is an 1102 thing, so don't even worry about what it actually says. And then, okay, save but not submitted. So we want to hit the big blue button, and it's going to pull up a preview over on this side. And that's all you have to do for day one. So day one assumes that you've finished your paper, and then you come to what's called PeerGrade, this website, create an account, and then upload your paper, and that's it. So I want to show you like where we're headed with this. This review option up here at the top gives you a list of all of the questions you're going to be asked about 2 other papers. So this is just the equivalent of rounds of a workshop, right? There are lots of thesis statement questions, thesis statements, and then there's just actual paper questions. There's organization. You actually get to just choose one of these. You don't have to write it out yourself. Word choice, sentence structure, and then just like what they did well, what they need to improve on, and just our regular workshop things. You're going to be able to review people's papers as soon as submissions end. So starting tonight on the 30th, this is for Habersham, right? So Young Harris, you'll have your own date here. You'll be able to start reviewing. So if you want to knock it out super early in the morning, you go right ahead, but you'll have a day worth of time to respond to 2 of them. So this means that you can't get your paper back until you've done 2 papers. So it's kind of built in to where you have to help somebody out for you to get help back. And that's it. This is my first time to do this, and I hope it goes well. I think it's pretty simple, and as long as the program catches up with what I think I've told it to do, then we should be good to go.